Good morning. All right, let's see what's cooking today. You see NPT, 22 million float above dollar. Here,
GWH.
check this here. NPT. Okay, I don't see any signal. This is the 1 minute chart for NPT. Nope, it's down. Oh, I don't see any signal. There's a signal here, but no, it ended up not good. So let's just wait.
GWH.
Nothing really I like here. BATL. Wow. Let's put BTT
TPET.
here. Hmm. That's very hard to trade. Oh, it's too late now. I'm still waiting for something that looks good to trade. Yeah. APT touch the VWAB. I don't see any cooking
TPET.
volume pressure signal. Uh, I like this. I like the rejection will touch the VWAB. Momentum is down. Everything red. My momentum indicator doesn't give me any volume pressure. I'm waiting for either a yellow or a green triangle that shows under. Tell me everything is cooked. There's something going on, but I don't see anything. I just like the
TPET.
price range of NPT. The float is 22. It's a little bit high, but you know, let's see. There was no news. It's moving this morning. Almost 5 million volume share traded today. Okay.
TPET.
Still waiting for something. Okay, this is day number 3 testing my momentum indicator. I'm not gonna release it to public or anything
TWH.
unless I trust it 100% after one
TPET.
month of testing. So far, 2 green days. Hopefully today is gonna be green too. And the result will be released. Okay, what is cooking? MPT, TBET. Not yet. I don't see anything I like. You know, unlike the MPT, they move like the rejection VWAP, but I don't have any signal here that tells me it's a good sign to
TPET.
go. I'm waiting for volume
NPT.
pressure. Uh, Let me check the setting here. Oh no, it looks good. Okay, there's a signal. I'll wait until the close.
TPET.
It's already
NPT.
ran, but my spread is okay. Waiting for the close. Okay, all right. And was
TPET.
2,000 share.
NPT.
I'm ready to go out. If I get a
GXAI.
signal to go out, but I'm in.
We have got to the point where literally anybody can build a fully working app without knowing how to code. This is Base 44.
TPET. GXAI.
You see, yeah, the price goes down, but look at the volume. Unless I get a volume pressure to tell me there is a huge selling pressure, I get out, but I'm holding as of now. You guys are watching everything live, so far this trade is down
TPET.
$400. I didn't get signal to get out. I'm still holding. Still holding 2000 share. NPT at 713. Why? Because my momentum indicator told me that there's enough volume for this to hit high. And even this red candle, but this is very was low volume, so I'm still holding. Unless my volume indicator just tells me nope, there's no enough volume to hold this, but I'm holding right now. My first target, I see this like around $9 and around 9.50. These are the ranges. Hopefully it will head, but if it didn't work and my indicator give me the red or yellow arrow here, I'm gonna be out. Still holding. Yeah, I go with 2,000 shares. Sometime I increased to 4,000, but this market condition, I should have actually traded with 1,000 today. Well, we'll see. I take 3 trades a day. Only 3. That's the first one. I woke up late today. I don't know, it's just I'm not too excited about the market because of the current conditions. So, but even though that might work, I'm still holding this one. Okay. We just remove the flip signal. Alright. Still holding this guy from this green can. I'm not gonna add or anything. Just it held the VWAP, give a volume signal, then continue. Now I'm getting this red arrow right here. It tells me to go. So, oh, yep, now I'm out. It closed green. So, alright, that's red. Minus $560.
BATL.
Let's see, BATL. Yes, not even straight
TPET.
red or green. I mean, yeah, you have a market is really, sometimes when the market is this good, this indicator makes me like really do very well. But 3 trades, $2,000, 2,000 shares a trade, and that's it. I was positive the last 2 days,
BATL.
Monday and Friday and Monday, and here's Tuesday, March 3rd. Oh, do it. Yeah, look at this ugly signal. Don't like this.
GWH.
Very, very
BATL.
choppy. This is ugly. I don't like MPT. The price range is good, but it doesn't trade right. Just switch to BATL. BATL gives signal here, but again, let's look at this. Like here was good. Look at this. That would be like a trade from 26 all the way. Got the signal on 2662, and the commission is really high for me to take trades like this.
BATL.
Let's wait for something else. You never know. You never know.
TPET. TPET. NPT. TPET.
MPT gave another signal right here. Green, red. Okay, 7 to 8.
NPT.
Okay, I'm gonna try another 2000 share MPT based on that signal. And watch and see.
TPET.
Come on. So small. Okay, green, that's B, 8 out of 8. So long is okay. Holding. 2000 share MPT.
NPT.
Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Alright, I took the signal right here, live, and I'm waiting for it until either I get a signal to go down. When I take some, when it comes to 9, if it gets to 9, I'll take half of my
NPT.
position. And if it break, I'm gonna hold until I get a red arrow tell me that nope, volume pressures go to the downside. But as of now, volume pressure to the upside. I got this tell me is the long 8 out of 8, like I can go as confident. So I'm waiting. Again, my main idea is volume pressure. Give me a signal here. It looks actually at the volume and the size of the candle, the body and the wicks, and give me that signal. So I'm still in, still in. Okay, I'll take some at 9. I'll take half at 9 with my hotkeys. Come on, hit the 9. Hit the 9. Just touch that line. Okay, I'll take half. So now only there was 1000 share. So let's just see. This is gonna wait until I get an arrow. Tell me nope, it's time to leave. So I'm still holding. I'm still holding.
NPT.
I'm still holding. Let me get this. It's still defending. Nope, still holding. I'm still holding. I'm still holding this guy until
NPT.
my signal oh, there's another resistance line over here at 13. If I touch it, I take another half. But unless I get a red arrow telling me to leave, to exit
NPT.
the position, I'm still holding. I'm still holding. Come on, guys. Come on. Let's go all the way. I'm not going to increase any more than the 2,000 shares. And man, I'm going to do some adding once I feel comfortable with this indicator that I developed. But
NPT.
as of now, I am waiting until either I get a red arrow to tell me don't selling pressure increasing. Now it tells me it's increasing. If it closes with as yellow and I see that, I'm out actually.
LGBN.
So let's see. Wait for the close. Don't exit now. With Control X, I can exit everything. I know, like, why didn't you tell that? Nope, I gotta respect the system I built myself. It took a long time for me to build that system.
NPT.
All right, all right, all right. Let's see. It's gonna close with the yellow arrow or it's gonna turn green. Wait for the close of the candle. Yep. Wait for the close of the candle. I'm waiting. 1 minute chart. Waiting. Waiting. Yep, buyer cannot push this higher. Okay, I'm out. Okay, $2,300. Okay, I'm not gonna get in
NPT.
again unless I get
SVRN.
a volume pressure signal tells me to get out, but I think there is a room all the way to 13. This is a resistance, support and resistance line drawn by default. It goes back. I'm sure if you go back, you'll see where it heads, but oh, it was somewhere here. It's actually February 3rd. It jumped all the way. Alright, anyway. I don't have to look back. It just get automatically drawn in my chart, which makes my life easy. So now I'm gonna wait for another green arrow. I don't take shorts, but when I see the wick is larger in the upside, that means selling pressure was really high. My signal gave me to leave right here. And you never know, you might see some buyer coming in and trying to get this thing up all the way to 13. But as of now, no guessing, just respect this indicator. But we'll see.
TBPH.
I'm waiting. If I get a volume, momentum, pressure signal right here, it does not give me anything. Momentums go
TBPH.
down, no volume,
NPT.
nothing. So I'm still waiting, staying flat. Let's look at the multi-time frame as well. So let's just go here. Let's make sure this what time frame it uses. Just do the higher time frame 5. Alright, right, okay. Now
TBPH.
so far $2,300. Took 2 trades. The first one was with the last $2,000. The second
SVRN.
one was, I think, was almost $3,000. Only 2,000
NPT.
share of NPT. Got in right here. Got in right here. And got out right here. So almost from 819 all the way to 981. Now touching those lines, the yellow line support and resistance line drawn automatically for me. So, but
STAK.
look at the size and look at the
SVRN.
volume. I think that we might see another rebound here, but volume is not there yet. The buyer not there. So let's wait for more buyer to join.
STAK. SVRN.
I'm still waiting. Okay, I see some volume coming in, but I don't get a signal. Tell me just it's okay to go long yet. So I'm waiting for here, and it is calculated based on the volume and the size of the candle and the size of the wicks on both sides. Very complicated, but I built that
SVRN.
system just to basically read the price and read the volume and give me a signal. Give me one right here, and exit was right here. That was a very good signal from all the way from almost 790 all the way to 970, and this is how I made the $3,000. The first one was a failure because I entered right here, but it
STAK.
exited right here. It was $500. I got in at almost 811 and got out at 770 or 768.
NPT.
I'm still waiting. All right, still flat here. I think BATL, I'm gonna wait until the market open. Just don't like this wicks up and down everywhere in the 1 minute chart. MPT was a little cleaner, but after I got the signal to go down to leave the market or to leave that trade, I got out right here and it's still pushing down. I don't see anything actually get me to go up, but I'm waiting for one volume candle with one arrow to tell me it's time to go. Let's see. Not bad, 23. I only entered with 2,000 shares using my momentum indicator. In and out, in and out. If I got a signal here, I'm still waiting. I gotta be respectful. Market is gonna open in half an hour, but let's see. Let's just see. All right, everything's live. MPT, no signal. BATL. I give a signal right here, but I just don't like the wicks. So I'm just gonna wait until we get maybe more volume. But not now. And here it tells me it's like don't enter -15. So I'm waiting. Nope, nope. Just need to be patient. Let's go back to MPT. MPT, look at this ugly wicks, like all the way here. I know I should the problem is I didn't know when to exit because the resistance was around 13 and high wicks, but I got out whenever my indicator tell me to go out and I got out right here. I got in based on that signal here and I got out right here. So I missed maybe almost like $1.50 a share. But again, you gotta build a system that give you high probability to get in and get out. That's what I'm looking for. Only 2,000 shares. I trade every day. 3 trades. I already took two, and I'm up $2,300 and 46 cents and $46.20. All right, still waiting. I'm gonna test this indicator that I built for 1 month before I release it and make it. I will explain to everyone how it works, but I'm just trying to record the journey live. And actually, when I record live, it forced me to respect my rules. So, still waiting. Nothing red. Nothing yet. Let's do this. No. BATL. Nope. Nothing here. MOBX. Moving, but 46 cents a share is not my kind of stock. Uh, I only trade stocks. I actually like stocks that above $2 or $3 and less than 20 million share in a float. This is my basically sweet spot when to trade stocks. But again, let's see if this can turn the tables. BATL, I don't like BATL yet. I don't like BATL yet, guys. We're waiting.
PL.
No, not trading BATL yet. It was very tricky yesterday. I think NPT, I'm more comfortable to trade, but again, no signal. The base EMA, 9 EMA is red. There is a C score. No, not yet. It's a very choppy right here. So let's just wait. I think I'm gonna wait till the opening and we'll go from there. But again, I took 2 trades a day. One was a loss of $500 where I got after the touch of the VWAP, I got in right here around 790, and I got out when I got the signal right here around like 770. Then I got another signal right here. A signal is this red, sorry, green triangle arrow, and I got in right here 1094. Got out when I got the yellow signal right here, was basically volume pressure is down, and I got out right here. Give me a signal right here, but I'm not gonna take it. Why? 9 EMA base is still down, and I don't see this green yet. No, not a good condition. So I'm waiting. I'm waiting, but I got a signal right here. Mean the volume pressure is enough for me to take long. All right, $2,300, 2 trades. Each trade was $2,000, 2,000 shares, only 2,000. Testing this indicator for a whole month. And after that, I'm going to release it. I really think if you trade low float stocks and you struggle reading level 2, has enough information to tell you when to get in and when to get out comfortably, because it takes a lot of skill and energy just to be able to read level 2. So what it tells you, it looks at the body of the candle, looks at the volume with that candle and the wick size to the body, and it'll tell you if that's enough to get in or not. So here it's an N, it gives a signal right here, but that's my filter right here. This is the 9 EMA channel. It is measured based on the high and the low of that candle. The regular EMA, it's actually based on the close of the price. Now I get the high and the low. It colored green when there is enough volume, and the 13 and the 21 agree. This filter 1 and filter 2, very simple. So my main 2 indicator, I have 2. This guy right here, 9 EMA channel, momentum indicator. That's it. And that's a VWAP. The blue dot line is a VWAP. So I'm still waiting. Let's see what BATL doing. BATL. It's holding it is green, and I'm sure, but the wicks is like left and right. I'm gonna wait until the market open for BATL. It's very tricky. Energy stocks are not easy to trade.
TBPH.
I'm sure if the market condition is right, I can make way more money, but I'm happy. It was at $2,300. It's not bad. I take 3 trades a day. I took 2 so far, 1 more, and I don't want to lose what I made. So just be patient. NPT, go below, but still above the VWAP, which is a good sign. But I need this to turn green, and I get a signal right here tell me the volume agree with the price. This is volume agree with the price. This is direction. That's it. That's what you need. I'm gonna broadcast every day testing this momentum indicator for a month before I release it to the public. I really think it's gonna help a lot of people. I struggled with this, but if I ended up with this, hopefully I'm not gonna blow it up with the third trade. It's gonna be my third green day. You can watch the archive, I think, on the live section if you want to see what I did in the last 2 days. Consistency on only 2,000 shares. I use light speed, so this is light speed. Commission is really high, but it's accurate. I like that. I like actually to be in and out quick. It's very good. Please subscribe or hit like. I really want a lot of people to see this. I think it's gonna help. This is just for my own sake. This is my archive to look at what I did live, you know. You know, a lot of people charge money for this, but again, I'm not gonna do that. I'm testing my indicator live to hold myself accountable. And I really hope it's gonna help others. So still waiting. Market is not easy to trade for low float momentum stocks. I don't know what the other people doing, but right, and here is work in the other side. Good morning. A12 right now. A12. UVIX is moving, but what is the flow for UVIX? UVIX. Are there any news for this one? I don't like that shape. I don't think it has enough volume, so let's just wait. Let's look at the BATL. $27. Wow. Yeah, energy stock with the current circumstances, I think energy stocks will do very well. Let's see. They're very tricky to trade though. Okay, NPT. NPT. Yep, NPT give a signal right here at the VWAP. But again, it did not switch yet, so I'm gonna wait until my 9 EMA tell me that look at this, the channel is down, it is red, so yeah, you could get right here and put your stop loss below the candle, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna wait. Momentum is down as well. That green right here, it tells me, yeah, there is enough volume, which is, if you look at the volume, look at this. It's a very large candle, but price is not in your side yet, so you're gonna wait for the price to agree with the volume. It's not agreeing right now. It's not a good condition, so just wait. Again, only thing you use, volume and price.
NPT.
Oh, we're waiting. You can love the accuracy actually of this indicator. It's insane.
NPT.
If you just follow this strategy, direction 90 MA channel, volume indicator with momentum down here.
USO.
15 minutes to the open.
Cyber attacks are
Watch
relentless.
the
Do you
MPT.
know how to truly protect your network? Red Education presents
No, I think the lead giver MOBX, I don't like it, 47 cents. No. SVRN 79 cents. No. TBET 186, but doesn't like it's moving. Okay, I think the only two I'm gonna focus on are MPT and BATL. I'm still waiting. I'll wait for the open before I take another trade. Only one more trade left, and we'll go from there. Uh, right, let's go. Once I feel 100% comfortable, I will increase the share size, but the market condition is not right. I don't just, whenever there is, the Fed's talking interest rate war, big news like this, you see just the momentum is not really stable. You get a very shaky momentum. So you gotta wait when the conditions are right. They're not right now. Like here's I got a signal right here and to get in, and I would put my stop loss right below the 766, but the entry signal was around like, we check the exact price right here, 811. I'll be 50 cents with 2,000 share. That's a lot for me. And momentum is still down. Look at Swiss red. And the 90 maybe is like this channel basically is red. This is not right to take a trade. So I'm gonna wait for the open, but it is hovering around the VWAP. The blue line right here, the dot line is the VWAP. And look what it says here. This is what takes 4 minus 8. I need this to be above like 30. This basically a bunch of condition tell me it is good to go as long. Nope. Nope, still waiting. No long yet for me. $2,300 so far. Not bad. 2 trades. Opening to trade here. 90. What is the most of the trade? It shows here. Yep, here is right here. 877. I end 790. That's the second trade I think I took. And I got out at 994. Sold. I bought at 790 and I sold at
BATL.
994. That's really not bad at all. You see, I was good not taking any trades right here. Below the VWAP, 9M is not agreeing, so I think it's really good.
BATL.
RCAT.
BATL.
ONDL. ONDS.
BATL.
It touches the resist. This is a zone for support and resistance, guys. Okay, so
RCAT.
it touches right here. And what I was hoping for, it will reach that resistance at 1333 or 1350 range here. It did not, so that's why I don't hope. I got out once I got the signal to be out. So I was out right here with this signal. As it says here, I was out at 790 based on
BATL.
the logs right here. So $2,300 today is not bad. I like all 137. The bid and the ask. Nope, not yet. I think maybe you get buyer. I like this. It says, where, look at the volume. I think this thing is gonna bounce. I'm not gonna take the signal here. I'm gonna wait. What I'm
RCAT.
waiting for, direction of the 9 EMA channel just to switch up.
BATL.
Like it was, why it worked here. Look at this. I got here when it was green and it worked. And once it turned red, this is a time. Yeah, there is, maybe it will go, but there's no maybe in that game. I need to wait for all
ACHR.
conditions to be met to enter long. This is why it's good. You don't need to look at level too much as long as you, because that measures the size of the candle, the
RCAT.
wicks, and the volume with that candle. And it gives you what you need to know to take a trade. All right, I like that candle very much. Look at this, wicks in the bottom, but again, I need to everything to align. Not yet. NPT, it's my favorite. Let's check BATL. BATL. Whoa, what a drop. Look at this.
ACHR.
Yeah. But every time it drops, buyer just push it. That's really good. Yeah, no, I'm waiting. I am waiting for the open for this one. Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient.
RCAT.
MOBX is moving, but again, I'm not gonna, this is not my kind of a stock. MOBX is 46 cents. MOBX. Oh, oh, don't take a trade. I don't like the cheap stocks. Look at this. That's not my favorite. Nope.
RCAT.
Not for me. Yeah, let's go back to the NPT. Expand. Just wait for the green channel and the momentum indicator to tell me it's okay to go long. So it's a waiting game now. Let's just wait. I just wait. I think if traders knows about this, they would love it. Just brand new. Third day trade. I developed this myself, guys. I'm an IT. That's why I know this stuff. It was fun actually. But you have to understand how the market
BATL.
works. And again, it is price and volume. If you focus on price alone to make trade, you would lose. If you focus on volume, you would lose. You gotta mix them up to make a very good decision. Price and volume. MPT is still going. Nothing is cooking today.
RCAT.
I
BATL.
took two trades, waiting for another one. Yup. First trade, I bought her at 813, took a loss at 877. Second trade, bought at 790, and took my profit at 994. Not bad, not bad.
BATL.
No guessing game here, guys. You don't guess. You just wait. Be patient. Not yet.
BBAI.
BATL.
RCAT.
Look at
BATL.
BATL is just ugly. Look at drop from 270, 27 all the way to 21. And I gotta be careful with this guy. I don't like this.
PLUG.
I think with this rate, I'm gonna quit my job.
ACHR.
I only trade 2,000 shares, guys. Only 2,000 share every trade, 3 trades
EDSA.
a day. I took two today. The first one was the loss in PT, bought at 813 based on a signal. The signal right here, actually, I got green and the momentum was green. And then I got out where I got out. No, this. Let me remember what time was that. I
ACHR.
think I got in right here. And I got out with one signal. Actually, right here.
EDSA.
Oh, sorry, this is BATL. I was NPT. Sorry, guys. So the signal that worked right here, I got this green arrow, right here. The band was green, got in at 790, got out right here at 990 almost. Not bad, not bad at all. Now I'm waiting. The only two stocks I'm focusing on: NPT, BATL. Why? Low float, below, above $2 and $3. That's the range I trade. I don't like trading stocks, below $2. So, but BATL is very ugly. Like, you gotta be careful. It dropped here all the way from 27 to 22. Just imagine. I don't like this. Let's just see the market once open, what's gonna happen. I like TPET better, actually. I'm not gonna lie. Look at this. 830 here. I think the market is gonna give me already a signal here. I didn't take it. And this TPET. Should I take it? No, well, let's just wait. Just wait. First minute. I don't trade the first minute of the day.
ONDS.
I just
MDA
wait.
halted.
Wait until this completely closes. Wait, don't take anything. NPT, what is NPT doing? I get a signal here? No, it's the red. BATL drop. Everything is dropping.
BMNR.
I just wait, guys. Be like a machine. No emotions. No emotions. Nope.
WULX. STAK. RCAT.
Okay.
ONDU.
Momentum is not
MOBS.
in your side.
SPWH.
It might give a signal, actually.
NMIH.
TPET.
ASAN.
I think it has
EDSA.
got some news today.
ONDG.
Look at
ISOU.
this. Look at this.
TPET. CRWN.
Yeah, it jumped over to
WTI.
220. The cheap
CRWL.
stock, but it
POET.
moves really well.
ASAN. WTI.
ODD.
ODD.
PLTU.
Yeah, I gotta be careful. I don't want to lose what I made.
EDSA. MOBX. SPWH. NMIH.
Yeah,
RYDE.
ETL moves
FRG
start
ISOU.
switching. Multi-time frame
MOBX.
signal. Buyer
SABR.
defending.
GXAI.
This is green.
MSOS.
If it touches
TPET.
the VWAP 178 MPT,
EDSA.
TPET, this is
CRWL.
TPET.
WTI.
Let's see,
QTRX.
should we take like a
WULX.
signal?
BATL.
This is a multi-time frame. It tells me like the 1 minute and the 5 minute agrees on the
RYDE.
direction,
EDSA.
but no volume. I need to
ROBN.
see a
CBU.
green or a
SMRF
yellow
halted.
ASTN.
arrow down here to tell
LWLG.
me a volume agrees. Volume
RKLT.
doesn't agree yet. That's a
PLTG.
price. I need something with
TPEG.
volume agrees. That's why I
EVG.
like, nope, I'm not gonna take
BMNU.
this.
PBOT
Let's
halted.
switch to BATL. Nope, it's
BATL.
red. MPT.
MOBX.
Nope,
WTI.
down. Don't take
EDSA.
anything yet. I don't take anything. So just wait. BATL.
LWLG.
Well, I got a signal,
IHRT.
but momentum is down,
RKLZ.
and 9 MA doesn't
HIMS.
agree.
GDXD.
Let's check TPET.
TPET.
Is it doing anything?
ASTN.
ROBN.
RYDE. AVXX. HIMZ. BATL.
SHLS.
EDSA.
AVXX. WTI.
STAK.
HIMZ. LWLG.
ASTX.
HIMS.
BRN. NPT. RXT.
BATL.
TDUP. AVXX.
I hate that I can't keep this a secret.
BATL.
I canceled all my food delivery subscriptions and upgraded to Cook Unity. And it's
BATL.
totally transformed the way I eat
This
because
week.
every meal is crafted by award-winning chefs from
Gonna
across
be
the country.
very
The
scared.
variety
That
is unlike
might
anything
either
I've ever seen,
wipe me
with over
out.
100 menu options to choose
BATL.
from
I
every
like
week, so I can
BATL,
always
guys.
find the exact
Gonna
global
take
cuisines I'm
2,000
craving,
shares.
whether it's Thai, Japanese, or Italian. So I can have Chef Christy Flores' signature grilled spicy salmon bowl for lunch, and Chef Mark Forgiani's incredible rigatoni with mushroom bolognese for dinner, and all at 50% off if you click now.
Okay.
To meet my health goals, goals, I've been
Give
using
me
the
the
app to
signal
easily
right here.
filter through
Momentum
dietary
and
options like
everything
vegan,
agrees.
keto, and
Green,
even high
green,
protein.
green.
So I get the nutrition I
Wow,
need
the
without
problem
ever
is
stepping into
5
a
minutes
grocery
and the
store.
1 minute
And on my
doesn't
busiest
agree
days, they offer
100%.
convenience I can count on.
But
Meals are freshly
everything
prepped,
was on my
delivered
side.
right to my door, and ready to
Let's
heat
just
and
look
eat
right
in
here.
minutes.
Yeah,
And the best
look
part,
right
it
here.
fits my budget. Right now, Cook Unity is offering 50% off your first week. Get this deal today because it won't last long.
I think it's halted. Good for me. I need to be once it open again. I am just wow. Wow. I got in the right
Do
time.
you have $100?
I
Because
gotta
I'm
be
looking for
out
2,000
not half
believers
at
who are
least
willing to
once it
trade
open after the halt.
$100 for a house in Jannah. Will you
Alright.
be
POET.
You know, it's just scary when you trade and everybody's watching. I don't know who's watching actually. Is anybody
SNXX.
watching?
ASTX.
Uh,
HIMZ.
NPT.
HIMS. STNE.
ABXX. HIMZ. BAIG. PLUG. BATL.
PLUG.
SRTA. RXT.
Here it is.
MDAA may
INGM.
resume
Come
in less
on.
than a minute.
HUBC.
Don't let me
FRGN may
down.
resume in less than a minute.
ASTX. NPT. TPET.
BAIG. VSNT.
BAIG. PLUG. BATL.
Alright.
ASTX.
Hopefully it's
RXT.
not gonna halt down. That's
PLUG.
usually what happens
RXT.
sometimes. I'm
INGM.
up $1,900, but
RCAX.
once this thing open, I'm gonna
RKLX.
take half, which is like I'm
ASTS.
gonna sell 1,000 share.
RKLX.
Once it open, I'm gonna
ASTX.
leave the other
SABR.
1,000 running
NPT.
until I get
TPET.
red arrow tell me this
MDAA
is
may res in
ready
10
to
seconds.
leave
IONX.
completely with volume. But this
FRGN
is
may
my
res in
last
10
trade.
seconds.
BAIG.
Please don't worry about what I made.
BATL.
I'm up $1,900 in PTL today.
RCAX.
Come on, come on, come on.
PLUG. RCAT.
Just keep going, my friend. Keep
RCAX.
going.
UMAC.
I'm waiting for VTL after the halt. Right here, I
ASTX.
have hotkeys ready to sell 1,000
TPET.
share once this open.
TMDE.
ASTX. ASTS.
NPT. BATL.
Come on.
PLUG. BATL halted to the upside.
RDWU.
Come on, VTL. Come on, my friend.
RXT.
Waiting for the open.
ASAN.
TPET.
Waiting for the open.
SGRY.
EONR. USEG. EDSA. TMDE. NPT. GBR.
UMAC. TMDE. IONX. SMRF may resume in less than a minute.
TURB.
NPT. EDSA. PBOT may resume in less than a minute.
MVO. NUVB. UFG. EONR. USEG. TMDE. SRTA.
USEG. ASAN.
Waiting for the open. Come
RIOX.
on. Come on, my friend.
KORU.
STAK.
TMDE halted to the upside. STAK. SMRF may res in
TMDE.
10 seconds.
ICON.
EOSU.
MOBX.
PBOT may res in 10 seconds.
KORU. NUVB. STAK.
KORU.
USEG.
ASAN.
TURB. ICON. EHTH. MOBX. KORU.
USEG.
STAK.
Okay. Still waiting. Waiting for the halt to be
BRAI
over,
halted.
and I'm gonna exit with half of the size that I'm in right now. 2,000 shares at
ASTX.
25, 25. And
ASTS,
now it is at 26,
RKLX,
21.
RCAT,
Okay, took
MUU,
half.
RGTX,
TURB.
Oh,
NPT.
I
RKLX.
think I exit everything,
PLU.
which is not bad.
PLU,
ONDG.
I exit
ONDL.
everything. Well,
BATL
I'm
may
not gonna
resume
get
in
in
less than
right
a minute,
now.
USCG,
Yeah, I didn't mean to
STAK.
sell everything, but it sold
EOSU.
everything.
ASTS. CISS.
It's
EONR.
exactly at the VWAP. Look at all
COHX.
this green. I think I
ALUR.
maybe need to take
POET,
another 2,000 share.
ASTX.
Nope. Look at this.
ASTX,
This guy tell me not to
ASTS,
enter. So just wait.
RKLX,
But if I got a signal
NPT.
to go in again, I might take
RKLX.
it. But now
PLU.
I'm getting greedy.
MOBX.
RCAT,
I should take it and just call it a day.
MARPS.
I'm up
STAK.
4,700.
MDBX.
That's not bad. That's not bad.
ASTS.
USCG, WULX,
ASTX.
I got my
CERS.
3 trades a
NPT.
day, but BTL is just looking
FRGN may
so
resume in
good
less
to
than a minute,
trade. So tempting.
BATL may res in 10 seconds,
It's so tempting. Nope. I said 3 trades a day,
STAK,
3 trades a day.
STAK.
So I don't know. I'm gonna leave this
TBW,
for whoever wanna watch.
MDBX.
3 trades a day
ALUR.
using my momentum indicator. I got in
USCG,
right here and I got out right here. 2 minutes. In 2 minutes.
ASTX.
So
CERS.
we'll keep this